The Jayco Greyhawk motorhome, comfort, power, and adventure on wheels. If you're in the market for a motorhome that blends power, comfort, and reliability, the Jayco Greyhawk deserves your attention. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips, family vacations, or long-term RV living, this Class C motorhome has built a strong reputation as one of the best in its segment. In today's article, we'll explore the features, specs, advantages, and reasons why the Jayco Greyhawk is trending among RV lovers in the United States. 1. Introduction to the Jayco Greyhawk. Jayco has been a household name in the RV industry for decades, known for its focus on quality craftsmanship and family-friendly designs. The Greyhawk sits in Jayco's lineup as a mid-sized Class C motorhome, offering more space and amenities than entry-level RVs but without the massive footprint and price tag of luxury Class A models. The Greyhawk is built on the Ford E450 chassis, which provides a strong foundation, excellent towing capacity, and a powerful driving experience. With its sleek exterior styling, cab-over-bunk, and multiple floor plans, it's a go-to option for families who want both comfort and practicality. 2. Key features and design. One of the standout qualities of the Greyhawk is its balance between luxury and usability. Here are some of the main highlights. Spacious living area. Thanks to slide-outs, the Greyhawk provides a roomy interior with a sofa, dinette, and entertainment center. Sleeping capacity. Depending on the floor plan, it can comfortably sleep 6 to 8 people, perfect for families. Modern kitchen. Equipped with a 3-burner cooktop, convection microwave, large refrigerator, and plenty of storage cabinets. Comfortable bedroom. A queen-size bed with overhead storage and wardrobes makes long trips more enjoyable. Full bathroom. Includes a shower, sink, medicine cabinet, and toilet, designed for convenience on the road. Entertainment systems. Many models come with smart TVs, upgraded sound systems, and satellite hookups. 3. Driving and performance. What sets the Greyhawk apart from many Class C motorhomes is its driving performance. Powered by the 7.3-liter V8 engine, it delivers around 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. This gives you enough power to climb steep grades, tow additional vehicles, or haul extra gear without strain. Jayco also includes the J-Ride Plus package, which enhances driving stability and comfort. Features like computer-balanced driveshafts, upgraded stabilizer bars, and heavy-duty shock absorbers help the Greyhawk handle more like a van than a bulky RV. This makes long highway drives smoother and less tiring for the driver. 4. Safety features. Safety is a big concern for RV owners, and Jayco has equipped the Greyhawk with modern protections. Side view and backup cameras for better visibility. Blind spot monitoring. Strong seat belts and airbags. Fire extinguisher and smoke detectors inside. Advanced braking systems on the Ford chassis. These features add peace of mind for families traveling with children or pets. 5. Why it's popular in the USA. The Greyhawk is trending in the US RV market for several reasons. Family-friendly layouts, ideal for road trips with kids. Balance of price and value, more affordable than luxury Class A motorhomes, yet more comfortable than smaller Class B vans. Strong resale value. Jayco models hold their value well. Trusted brand. Jayco is part of Thor Industries, one of the largest RV manufacturers in North America. 6. Downsides to consider. No motorhome is perfect, and the Greyhawk does have a few considerations. Fuel economy is on the lower side, averaging around 7 to 10 miles per gallon, depending on weight and terrain. Parking and maneuvering can be a challenge in tight city areas due to its length. Higher price compared to entry-level Class C models. Still, for most owners, the benefits far outweigh these drawbacks. 7. Who should buy the Jayco Greyhawk? The Greyhawk is perfect for families who want plenty of sleeping and living space. Retired couples planning long trips but still wanting manageable driving. Adventure seekers who need towing capability for boats, trailers, or small cars. If you value comfort and reliability on the road without stepping into the higher cost of a Class A motorhome, the Greyhawk is a sweet spot. 8. Final thoughts. The Jayco Greyhawk is more than just a motorhome, it's a rolling home that delivers both adventure and comfort. From its spacious interior and strong engine to its modern safety and entertainment features, it's designed to make every mile of your journey enjoyable. Whether you're chasing sunsets across the Southwest, camping in national parks, or taking the kids on a summer road trip, the Greyhawk ensures that the journey is just as memorable as the destination. So, if you're looking for a motorhome that truly balances luxury, performance, and family-friendly design, the Jayco Greyhawk is a top contender in the U.S. RV market. Writing hand word count, approximately 705. Would you like me to format this into a ready-to-record YouTube script with intro hook, narration style, and call-to-action lines, or do you want it to stay as a blog-style article?